And he got out of jail on a toilet paper rope. And I said, I can't believe that. But here's the story. Cowboys driving cows from Texas to Montana got hungry. Wasn't any McDonald's to stop at, wasn't any hardware stores to buy a rope, so what they do? They buy a herd of cows down in Texas, head for Montana, open range. They drive those cows, free grass, 1880 to 1910. There was no fence lines. So they would just take off out of Texas and head for Montana. They would turn around in Montana when the weather started turning and head back to Texas. Get to Abilene, put those cows on the market all fattened up and ready to go. And very simply, that was the way they made their living. Now, when they needed a rope, there obviously wasn't any hardware stores to stop that along the way. So they would get kind of hungry. They'd kill one of those cows, give the beef to the cookie at the chuck-light. He would have a barrel of taters and a barrel of beans, a barrel of flour, and he would cook that beef off, cook baking powder biscuits, taters and beans, and that was their meal on the road. But they were on the road for 6 months, so they get a little tired of bacon and beans, so they'd kill a turkey now and then, and maybe a deer or antelope, and have a little variety. But it was kind of interesting when they got that all done. They would take the hide off that cow and very simply take a knife, go round and round and round that hide with a knife. Get a big long leather strip. Take that leather strip, tie it to a rock like that one there. Put the swivel of the horse harness on that rock. Throw that rock out in the field, about a third farther than what they wanted. Would slide that rock across the field. Get half a dozen cowboys, depending on the length of the rope, with fork sticks or deer antlers or something to keep it from snarling out. And one cowboy would turn the handle, and another cowboy would. So you turn the handle like that.
Oh, okay. Tell me when.
Yeah, set it out.
All right.
Keep turning. You're doing good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I forgot to put my divider in there.
Oh, keep those. Yeah. Oh, sweet.
There
I
you
like
go.
that.
All right, you start turning again.
Okay.
I'm cheating just a little. I'm putting some duct tape on there, or masking tape, just to stop it from unwinding. Just a minute now. I just pulled the shade too hard. I'll get out the bottom now.
Can we grab that for you? How much you need?
Now you can get it.
All right. How much you need?
Yeah, just open it up like that. That's good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it like that. And you turn that handle again.
Pretty cool.
Somebody's coming. Hi.
Okay, that's good. Stop for just a minute.
How are you?
You're just in time to see a miracle. That's all right. She's not. Let her run. She's not hurting anything.
Yeah, she's.
Go ahead and turn the handle.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep turning now.
All right.
We're showing these guys how to make a rope out of toilet paper. Okay, stop for just a minute. In order to
I
see
need a
this,
skill.
in order to see this thing wind up, in order to see this thing wind up, you gotta put a red string in there, or a brown string, or some kind of string. That's what makes it visible. You keep turning. I'm gonna go have coffee. I'll be back in a couple hours. Now, see that red string wrapping up?
Yes.
What a cowboy would do is he would go ahead and keep turning. He would start that rope turning down here, and that's the way lariats are still made yet today.
Oh, really?
If you get over to Sheridan, Wyoming, stop at the King Rope Shop and visit the King Rope Shop where the little cowboys buy their lassos and their roping stuff over there. That's good right there. Now we're going to rope that down like that. And then we're going to go up here, cut that baby off right there and right there and right there. And then I teach people all the time. So if you buy one of those $5 ropes and take it home, make sure you hang it in the closet where you can find it. You know, so if you take a long walk out in the woods or a hike in the hills,
You never
or take your toilet paper rope with
Yeah.
it. So if you have an emergency, you have some paper along.
That's right.
So I turn it up like that and I put that loop in the end.
All right.
Some cowboys call that an eyelet, some cowboys call it a loop, but a real cowboy calls it a hondo or a hondu. That's a Spanish term that means end of rope or end of lariat. Now take that right there and roll it up. Just roll it up a little bit more.
Okay.
And so that's good right there. Okay. Bring it over here and put it right there in that hole.
This.
Yeah, and pull it out the other side. A little tight, I didn't quite get it open far enough.
That's all right. Let's see.
I can
think we.
open it.
There we go.
There you go. Okay. Pull it up like that. Then you go over the top of one, underneath one, over the top of one, underneath one. And you just keep doing that.
All right.
There you go. Got a bus coming in? No, it's going out. My guys are getting ready to pull out of town today. Today and tomorrow, a couple of them are leaving. Now, what you got? See how all three of those are coming out on opposite sides?
Yep.
If you cut them off right there, it makes a hump in your rope. So what you want to do is stair step them down and get them all on the same side. So
okay.
let's take this one and put it right there like that. Wind that up a little bit like that. Okay, put it right in that hole. Now, see, you got two of them on the same side.
Oh,
Now bring the
okay.
third one down and put it on that same side. Now, someone always asks the question, how far down do you braid that thing?
Yes.
And the answer is real simple. You just keep braiding until you run out of string, or you get tuckered and quit. Or like my wife says, with 5, 6 kids, she says you just keep braiding until you come to the end of your rope. and that might be easier to do than you think. But notice how all three of those are coming out on the same side now. See?
Yeah.
See how it's stair step, you know?
Sure.
So what a cowboy would do is he would throw it down on the floor like that, give it that cowboy number 12 treatment, and roll it up like that. And then what happens is those strings disappear. And if you cut them off right there, you can't even see where they come and go. But I've been leaving those on there, so if you take that $5 rope home, you can unwind it and show the grandkids that really is toilet
sure.
paper.
Yeah.
Otherwise you wouldn't believe it. But hold on to that, and then I'll show you when it's finished. Because when you cut them off, you just cut them off and roll them like that,
Okay.
and it disappears.
Oh, sweet.
So you can't even see where it starts and stops.
Yeah.
So I teach people all the time, that's the way cowboys made their lariats, out of rawhide.
Sure.
I put that red string in there for 2 reasons. First reason is it's something so you can see it as it
Sure.
winds.
Sure.
Second reason I put that in there is it's the blood of Christ. you
Oh,
read your
yes.
Bible, you read Ecclesiastes 4:12, and you'll realize that that's the blood of Christ, because it says a strand of three is not easily broken.
That's exactly
And,
what I was thinking when you
Yeah,
were making the
put that
bet.
in there. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
that's why we put it in there. So take that one home and
Okay.
tell the kids you learned a little something while you was
Oh,
out in
yeah.
South Dakota, and get in that brown one time. We have too much fun here.
Yeah.
And you'll be pleasantly surprised how much fun you can have making ropes.